band leader?
Oh, undertaker. Are we on the right train?
I don't know. Excuse me, does this train go to Melrose?
This train goes nowhere.
I'll wait there with Mrs. Ewing while I turned off the gas. If it weren't for that train ride that scared us into coming back early, Mrs. Ewing would have surely died.
Mrs. Ewing, who is this?
Why, that's Edward, my husband. He passed away 29 years ago. He said he'd always watch over me.
We were looking at the same man we saw on the train.
He said he'd never leave.